In front of me is Samsung Tab S10 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then select All Services, scroll down to access Autofill with Google, and click on Google Password Manager. Now click on one of your passwords, enter your current login method, and to delete it, choose Delete twice. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!